don't want to learn how to make money, that's wow, just smash our TP, guys. Just smash our TP right there. Just smash our TP, guys. So look at that. Just smash our TP, guys. Check the description of this video to join my free Telegram channel. All right, we're dropping free signals on the free Telegram channel every day. It's gonna be coming every day from now. I'm not joking. All right. Hello, guys. So okay, before I move on, let me quickly move my SL to below my entry. My SL below my entry. SL below my entry, and so let me quickly tell my people to move their SL. Okay, so you can see crash. We have crash 500 and crash 1000 running. Oh, we just had a little spike right there. We have crash 500 and crash 1000 running. So we are about to hit our TP1 on crash 1000. Then for crash 500, we just spike down. Here is our TP. We have just one TP on crash 500. Here's the overall TP. It's gonna spike pretty soon, right? So yeah. So that's how we make the money on boom and crash market and indices markets. So I still want to talk to you guys, let you guys understand that you can still do normal price action analysis and be making money on boom and crash. Boom and crash should be treated like every other asset on the Deriv platform. Okay, so I'll run my analysis for you guys to see why I gave this sell signal on the crash 500. Okay, so before I go on, please, if you're new on this channel, please, even if you've been watching before without subscribing, kindly do that, because we try to give out our very best here, all right, to give you guys this knowledge, to share this knowledge for free. All right, you might not understand that what we're giving out here is very important. We're dropping something that a lot of people don't want to drop out, give out for free. I used to do that like every time. Okay, and another thing I've noticed is that a lot of people don't appreciate this analysis. They think boom and crash indicators is far better, like dropping, catching strategy on catching spikes and scalping. They feel that's more better. They feel is more better than what I'm doing now. That's why whenever I drop a video like this on analysis on boom and crash, a lot of people don't want to watch. That means so many people, they are not willing to make money. They don't want to make money. They just want to be catching spike and cruising and having fun. But the main thing here is to know when the market's going to spike, when it's not going to spike, not indicator telling you, not relying 100% on indicator. All right. So this knowledge we give out is very, very important. It's very vital. Seriously, I'm not joking. A lot of people don't want to give out for free. Okay, so please, if you're new on this channel or you've been watching without subscribing, kindly do that. Okay, it helps. And like the video if you find it's helpful, you think it's helpful, it helps you, kindly like the video and drop some good comments. All right, and also then we have academy that is going up. All right, our academy, that's we have the new batch, this month's batch that is going on now. Please kindly join, learn how to make money. Right, cannot just come into this market and don't want to learn how to make money. That's wow, just smash our TP, guys. Just smash our TP right there. Just smash our TP, guys. So look at that. Just smash our TP, guys. So allow this one position to keep running. All right, allow this one position to keep running for more money, for more profits. We're the best, guys. We are the best. So yeah, as I was saying, my reason for this signal is let's move to 4 hours first of all. In the 4 hours time frame, you can see we have a resistance here, which is this line. We have this line here, which is our resistance. I placed this resistance because market has been reversing around that level. Market has been respecting that zone, and I know that it's gonna respect this zone again. All right, so and markets went down to this point, then push up again to retest this level. Now it's dropping again, so I knew that markets will be dropping back to this, at least this zone. at least to this zone again. So that's why I gave the signal, right? That's why I gave the signal. So now this one position that is left now, I'll put my TP down here, but at least let my people take their money and go, so that the market wants to reverse around this zone. I know I'm the only one taking the hits myself, right? So this is my overall target. My overall target. I know my students, most of them will not close. They will still expect market to drop down to this point, right? So yeah, so resistance at this point and a retest at this point, or you can call it a pullback back to this point, and market printed that candlestick there, a doji candlestick at that resistance zone, and that's the reason for my entry on the 4 hours chart. All right, so I expect the market to drop back to this point. Okay, so it's as simple as that. All right, as simple as that, as simple as that. Okay, so now on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a change of character. If you're on my academy, you should know that very well, and how to identify it, know it perfectly well, the change of character, what it means. All right, cannot start explaining everything here, so that this video will not be too long. So I discovered we had a change of character and decided to sell at the point market went above our entry and it was going against us, but I wasn't afraid because I knew that it would spike at this very point, this very resistance, and it spiked, right? And it spiked. We are running good profits right now, guys. Just smash our TP right there, and more signals are coming. Okay, so join the free Telegram platform. Check the description of this video to join the free Telegram platform for free signals, and share this video with friends, a lot of friends, everybody, okay, for them to come and learn as well. Okay, so view the base, guys. You can see that, and my SL was quite above this level, was around this level. My TP right there, we just smash TP. I want market to drop back down to this point to smash my second TP. I'll set a second TP around this level. Sorry, I set the second TP around this level. Okay, right, that's my second TP. So it will spike and break this level, but if it does not break this level, I'll just close out and, you know, take my profit and go, right? So that's how to make money. So to analyze boom and crash is just like analyzing currency, indices, any charts at all. So you don't have to be afraid of it. You don't have to be afraid of what it's doing, if it spikes or if it's going against the spike, right? I know crash 1000 might be spiking more. Well, we're about to hit our TP right there, TP1 and our TP2 up to this point with the base, guys. So the same way I analyze crash 500 is the same way I analyze crash, the same way I analyze crash 1000. Okay, crash, P1000, B500, crash 500, crash 300, B300 as well. So it's just the same way. Okay, it's just the same way. So you don't have to be afraid of the market. You don't have to be afraid of the spikes. If you know what you're doing, right? If you know what you're doing, you're making your money, clean money, right? You don't have to panic. You don't have to be afraid of anything. So we're the best, guys. Join those platforms to enjoy benefits from our signals. Okay, join the academy. Join the free Telegram channel for more. Wow, look at that! Almost to touch our TP1 and it spiked, but it's definitely gonna go up again. But it will spike down to this point before going up again, close to this point before going up again, guys. Look at that. So I knew that markets will be spiking around that zone. That's why I placed my TP1 there, but I didn't know it would not touch there. Just kissed the TP and spiked. All right, so yeah, that'll be all for now, guys. Thank you. I love you. Bye bye.